That was big.
Oh my God.
Oh, please get that. Please get that.
Oh my God.
There's debris flying in the air.
Roll the back window down, please.
Yep.
Something's on fire in there.
There's some explosion.
Big explosion.
Oh my God.
It's right next to us, Scott.
I know.
We need to move.
No, the mesocyclone is right next to us, though. Something's on fire. Wow. Oh, sorry. Wow.
I got that on video.
Something's on fire.
Yeah, something exploded.
Okay. You have this thing on? Oh, that's a big tour, dude.
I told you.
Yeah.
Dude, I can hear it. You want to move? All right, let's move. Move. Flip the
All right, hold on. Let me. Oh boy.
Get the hell out of the way.
Oh boy, that's coming right here. Right here. Oh boy.
Oh boy. Holy cow. Yeah, get going.
You can hear it, dude.
Big tornado behind us.
If you need to hang out your window, do so. I'll go slow.
Okay. Turn around. Turn around.